Okay, here we are at the Marriott Courtyard, right across from Mile High Stadium here in Denver, Colorado. This is I would say day 2 of my Colorado motorcycle trip. Day 1 was yesterday when I flew in here from Raleigh, North Carolina. And so this is the hotel room I'm staying at. You can see here. So just a quick quick little video of what I'm bringing along for the ride. So this whole trip is going to be, I guess, around close to 10 days. And so for that, I'm bringing my Climb. I think this is the induction jacket. So it's a mesh material jacket. So I'll be wearing my Climb jacket. I'm also wearing Climb riding jeans with, with some padding around the hips and the knees. I traveled with my helmet. Now, I do have a Climb helmet, but I'm not bringing it on this trip. I'm bringing my AGV Sport Modular helmet on this trip. And I also am bringing this Airhawk seat. Like I mentioned before, I'm renting a motorcycle from Eagle Rider, downtown Denver, Colorado. I'm renting a BMW R1250 RT motorcycle without the back trunk. So I brought the Airhawk because I'm not sure how the seat's going to be on that bike. I know what the stock seat feels like, and I brought the Airhawk anyway. My riding boots are going to be the TCX riding boots. You can see here, short boot. They're Gore-Tex, so they'll be good in the rain. They're lightweight, they're good for traveling. How I'm gonna be, this is all the gear I'm taking. So you can see here, I still had these bags from Wing Stuff from when I had my 2018 Goldwing, and these bags fit perfect in the RT saddlebag. And so these bags are filled with my clothes, you can see there. So when we go in and out of hotels each day, I can just bring those bags with me. I bought my GoPro equipment. I'll be filming some of the rides, and I also brought my cruise tools. There you go, cruise tool bag for the BMW motorcycle. So brought that along. And then also I have this tail bag, which I'll be bringing and strapping to the back of the bike. You can see here, this is, I bought this tail bag. It's a Rhino Walk, you can see there. It's waterproof. And within here, I'm basically gonna be packing really just quick stuff that I would need, for the bike. If I jump off the bike, you can check out my sneakers in there. I got some extra shirts, and just other stuff. So that's gonna be my tail bag. Eagle Rider Warehouse, downtown Denver, Colorado. Look at all these bikes. Woo! Wow. All gray. Wow, nice. That's the bike for the week. Okay, here we are at Rocky Mountain National Park in Colorado. We just entered the park, and I'm following my good friend Phil, who's leading this ride. And yeah, let's go see how this ride turns out. So So far the weather's going to be nice today. Beautiful scenery. Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right. I'll come back in on the video in a minute. Yeah, these mountains are beautiful here. Yeah, look at this. We're climbing in elevation. Rocky Mountain National Forest or Park, Rocky Mountain National Park. I'm not sure what's the proper terminology. Looking good. I got Phil and Catherine in front of me, and behind me is Ken and Mary. So there's 5 of us on this trip. I'm not sure what the elevation is at the moment, but we're definitely climbing up on this mountain here. Wow, look at that. Look at that scenery. Climbing up. It's a gradual incline, but you can see we're getting higher in elevation here. It's just majestic, the view. What a beautiful view we have here. Turn 15 miles an hour, but we might have a nice little overlook. Let's see what we have here. Oh wow, look at this. Beautiful. This is God's country, and there's no other way to experience this, in my opinion, but on a motorcycle. Okay, looks like we're going to be turning in this parking lot. So let's see. Let's see what... Yep. Yep, the temperature's dropping a little. Oh yeah, it's a little chilly up here at this altitude. Yep, but it's definitely worth the chill. Wow, look at this curve. This is awesome. 15 miles an hour. Wow, look how they carved this road right through this, right through the rock. Alright, now we're heading downhill. Or down mountain, I should say. That is some beautiful scenery. Yep, I got the bike in second gear. I'm just riding the engine. Okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, to the right. Yep, I see the road. Woo! Yep, now we're going to climb up. Almost to the top of the mountain. Yeah, look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh, wow. Look at that. Yeah, look at that mountain range. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That's the Rocky Mountains, huh? That is gorgeous. Look at this. Rainbow Curve. That is gorgeous scenery. Majestic. Oh my, look at this. There we go. Motorcycle parking. That is some good looking mountain range right there.